The recent announcement by President Donald Trump regarding tariff impositions has sparked a flurry of economic and political debates worldwide. In particular, the Asian region, home to some of the world's largest economies, is poised to feel the brunt of these economic policies. This narrative aims to elucidate the ramifications of such tariffs, thereby expounding on their potential impacts on both the United States and the affected countries. The tariffs introduced range broadly from a relatively modest 10% on Singapore to a staggering 49% on Cambodia. Every tariff, irrespective of its magnitude, encapsulates significant socio-economic implications. China, bearing a 34% tariff, is the most prominent player in this arena. The measurable impact on Sino-American trade is likely to be profound, affecting sectors from technology exports to consumer goods. The artificial inflation of product prices is expected to reverberate through both economies, altering consumer behavior and international trade relations. The imposition on Vietnam, 46%, and Thailand, 36%, suggests a targeted approach towards countries transitioning into larger manufacturing bases. These two nations, long benefactors of foreign investment owing to low-cost labor and favorable industrial policies, may experience shifts in production strategies and foreign investment influxes. In contrast, Japan and South Korea, with tariffs of 24% and 25% respectively, illustrate the constraints upon technologically advanced nations. The repercussions may limit technological exchanges and collaborations, potentially restricting innovations and advancements. India, marked by a 26% tariff, presents an intriguing case study. As a burgeoning economic powerhouse with a notable technology sector, the interplay between imposed tariffs and its long-standing diplomatic relations with the U.S. could yield unpredictable outcomes. The highest tariffs, like those on Cambodia and Laos, 49% and 48% respectively, pose severe challenges to their export-driven economies. These restrictions might necessitate a redirection towards alternative markets or stimulate internal industrial reforms. Conversely, Singapore's 10% tariff signals a milder approach, likely due to its stature as a global trade hub and disciplined economic policies. Additionally, Sri Lanka and Myanmar's identical 44% tariffs, along with Bangladesh's 37%, complicate regional economic dynamics, potentially shifting trade routes and alliances. Ultimately, these tariffs are indicative of an era that prioritizes national economic security within a volatile global trading environment. Navigating the consequences necessitates not only strategic economic thinking, but also a reconsideration of international diplomacy and collaboration strategies.